healthy hair, isn't it? And I need it to grow. I'm just gonna put it all over. The top one, it's in a plastic bag. How my hair look after washing out the avocado ear mask. And if you're interested on how to make the avocado ear mask, I did it in another video, like 2 videos behind, so you can go check out all the products. But this is it. It's looking shiny and very silky and it's very soft. But you can go and check it out, check it out, check it out. So this is my natural hair. And now I'm going to blow dry and put in some more products in it. I'm going to blow dry my hair and I'm going to use the Cantu heat protection for my hair because I'm using the dryer. Now I'm using the virgin hair fertilizer for my roots. And then after that, I'm going to use the cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner and hair food by Garnier is the banana flavor. And then I'm going to use the jasmine hair oil and the mustard hair oil with some olive oil, and I put them in the bottle and mix it all together.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be Life lessons come
Guys,
one
if
in a
you
dozen.
know any more product I can use for my hair growth,
Life lessons
just
come one in a dozen.
let me
The
know,
other
leave a
11
comment.
is something from nothing.
Help a girl
Life
out.
lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 is something from nothing.
Growth, man.
Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be